This is what I'm gonna make today, guys. Meatballs with rotini pasta. And for the meatballs, I'm gonna use half and half. Ground pork and ground beef. First, I will take the brown side of the bread. There I go. And then I'm gonna cut and so after I cut it, put in a bowl and put milk. Soak it. And the ingredients for the meatballs, I have 2 eggs, parsley, garlic, Parmesan cheese, brown sugar, 1/2 cup of Worcestershire sauce, and beef flavor bouillon, 1/2 teaspoon, and 1/2 teaspoon paprika, pepper, black pepper, and salt. So I will put it now. Beef bouillon, Worcestershire sauce, brown sugar, and Parmesan cheese shredded. I'll put just the half of the garlic. The half I will use it for sauce, and half of this one too, parsley. The rest I will put in the sauce. And 2 eggs. And yeah, I will put garlic powder, 1 teaspoon. And I will put the bread. I squeeze it. I squeeze the milk already. So I'm gonna mix this. Mix. And I'm starting to make a meatballs now. Yes, meatballs. I will bake it. Just like that. It doesn't matter even if it's not uniform. And these are all the meatballs. And it's ready to bake. I'm gonna bake it 350 for at least 20 minutes. My noodles is done. Rotini pasta. Meatballs are done, so I'm gonna make the sauce now. Okay, I will start with my sauce. Pasta sauce. I will put garlic. And I will put the onion. I will make it caramelize a little bit, and then I will put the sauce, spaghetti sauce. And now I will put the sauce. Put it in a low heat. put a little bit of water to my jar. Put the beef bouillon, garlic powder, and the sugar, brown sugar, 1 spoon. And now I can put the meatballs and just soak it for maybe 10 minutes because it's already cold, or even just 5 minutes. It's already cooked, I mean. And I will cover it. So okay, let's check it. Okay. It's boiling. It's all done now. And I will put the parsley. Yes. Okay. Now I'm done with my meatballs and pasta. And with shredded Parmesan cheese. It looks pretty and yummy. Thank you for watching today, guys, and remember to click the bell button, like, and subscribe to my channel. See you and have a wonderful day. Night. Bye.